Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a time sync on your VM if you're on a ESXi hypervisor. Sometimes when you move a VM, the time doesn't always resync, and you're kind of stuck because if you have two-factor authentication or some kind of extra security on there, when you try to log in, it's going to prompt you saying time sync is incorrect, and you can't log into the server to fix the time. So your only other option is to use VM tools. So that's what we're going to do right now. So to do this, you go to Actions, and then we'll wait for that to drop down, and then go to Edit Settings. All right, so now once you do Edit Settings, go to VM Options. Then you want to go to VMware Tools, and then you're going to scroll down until you see something that says Time and then Sync Guest Time with Host. So go ahead and check that, hit Save. Now there's two things you can do. So you can see the time hasn't changed on the VM, so it doesn't happen right away. Um, but you can see within a couple seconds, it already did that. And there you have it. So sometimes it's not that fast though. So don't be freaking out if the time doesn't automatically sync up with the correct time. It could take a reboot sometimes. Sometimes you need to reboot the VM, and then you can it'll sync the time when it boots up. But if you have issues with the time sync when you move a VM, or let's just say the time just got out of sync somehow, this is a good way to get around trying to get into the server when you can't sync that time. So definitely use this tool. I found it useful. I hope someone else does too.